Why are you whispering?
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Not gonna do it again. Red eyes, no flight. I had restless leg syndrome all night. Alright, well I'm not, cause I'm late for work, about to skate my weight up and down the block. Cause I'm way too pressed and stressed out, you guessed it. Blessed with mental issues and tetanus. I can't find a sign of suggested place to rest my head, I feel helpless. Cause I was tested and I invested, but I fell short of what success is. So I reject what you expected and disconnect there. I expressed it, accept it.
Okay, I did. Question.
I predict